Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create envelopes and labels in Microsoft Word. First, understand envelopes. What is envelopes and how can I create it? Just go to the mailing and here you will find envelopes option. Just click it. Now here is a delivery address. This is an envelope and how can this envelope will be display. This is a delivery address option or this is a return address position. Now first type the delivery address. Delivery address are those address where we will send envelope, and return address is your company address. If envelope fails to deliver this address, it will be written in this address. Now type the return address of your company. Now here is a options. Now just select the envelope size which you have. There is a different type of sizes and click OK. It will display here. Now just click add to document. And do you want to save the new return address as a default return address? I just click no. Now envelope has been created. Now you can preview it. If you print, it will print in envelope like this. Now I want to create labels. What is labels and how can I create it? Just go to the mailing and click labels. Here this is the address and I want to print this address 30 times in a page. I just click option. Here is a different options and 30 per page. Click OK and click new document. It will display 30 times in a page. Now you can print this and you can make a sticker and paste anywhere. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.